No, it's dead.
Bust out the wish.
It's dead. It's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, that's not bad at all.
That's easy fix.
Yeah, easy fix.
But we gotta go through and make sure that old dirty Mike and the guys didn't. Looks like an old-fashioned soup kitchen in there.
Good Lord, man. Ugh.
Told you, dirty Mike and the boys. They were back here.
All right, guys, so we're in the staging lane to run in the streetcar class at the NHRA event. All right, man, let's go over here and find Chris Barnum and Baily. I want to know, how is it that you got two cars racing at the NHRA race event and all the other Mopars are at home? Johnny, they told me to tell you, take this piece of put it on the trailer and go home.
Hey, guess what?
Hey, man, it's going to be revenge of the Kraken. We're going on the back street.
I'm telling you, I'm going to put him in the ocean and the Kraken finna eat.
Hey, y'all, this man trying to race me on the back street. This man trying to take me into deep water. I'm going to ride that Kraken like Aquaman.
Hey, come on, man.
Hey, man, I talked to the fish. I talked to the fish.
Talk to the fish.
Talk to the fish. How was that, Kato? Pretty good. All right, guys, here I am at the Texas Motorplex with the Stampede of Speed. Here is Baily's Hyperformance Trackhawk.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Chris Baily, he done win. He done put a crown on because he done took the crown. A Mustang, how did this Mustang get in here? Generally we run the nitrous on the button, but today the air feels so good, we're gonna put the nitrous on the pedal. Earl, how's it going, sir?
It's going.
There you go. Hey man, you never bug the tuners, man. You leave them alone, right? So we over here with our 2 big bottles of Gap sauce. We'll get ready to do the race. This car right here, the Kraken, we already took his soul. But this guy actually ran the fastest time trying to beat me. He actually set a record racing the Silverback. And this guy is fast. I thought it was a twin turbo, it's a single turbo, but let's check it out. Like the Kraken, man. Hey, we trying to get like you. You gonna race this Mustang?
I got the Mustang, bro.
You got the Mustang, man. I can handle that.
I think we're going right before 1 o'clock, so.
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all, we're running into a little issue. So it looks like one of the solenoids for some reason is sticking. But Earl is on it. He's gonna switch the purge solenoid with one of the nitrous solenoids. That way it's still gonna give us nitrous. All right, guys, so we're in the staging lane to run in the street car class at the NHRA event. I ran into some troubles. My nitrous wasn't working. Earl the Pearl came in and took off the purge solenoid and turned it and made it into a nitrous solenoid. So we're gonna still get that on the track. How many of y'all want to see me race that Kraken again?
We do.
Hey, that Kraken say he want me
do it on the street.
Hey, that Kraken say he want me all on the
Pull
street.
that. Hey, we can race for 1,000 on the street.
Oh, boy, he a trip.
I even got a 25-cent down payment.
What? Go on with that Kraken. Go on
We
with
just
that.
got it on the ground.
Go on with that, man. Give me that money. That's my quarter. All right, man. Let's go over here and find Chris Barnum and Baily. I want to know, how is it that you got two cars racing at the NHRA race event and all the other Mopars are at home? You must be doing something right, brother.
We build the baddest Mopars and we support the baddest local race events ever.
Man, you guys got a race event coming up.
It's a street car showdown. Everybody fears us because we're the kings.
Hey, man, let me talk to the T in the T and the T and E.
So the T&E Promotion Street Car Showdown, presented by Baily's Hyperformance. We started this event about 4 years ago.
So y'all started it about when we started the big showdown?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, basically, what it's for is a street car event to where there's a class for really everybody. I didn't want a bunch of bracket cars coming in and winning all the classes. I didn't want a bunch of pro mods coming in and knocking out all the street cars. So we came up with this idea. The rules aren't crazy, but it's enough to keep stuff like that out. So everybody that shows up on property to the T&E Promotion Street Car Showdown will have a chance to win and be competitive.
Nice,
so
nice.
that's what it was made for.
Hey, man, you heard it from TJ Baily.
Trackhawk is late at the starting line, doing some moving around out there.
Scar! Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
Told y'all it's the difference between being quick and fast. Come on, let's go over here and see what this fast man is. Go on, Tyler, with this fast car. He fast, I'm quick.
Fast car, slow driver.
No. Look, man, when you snatching souls, you get them right off the line. That's where you get them at.
I guess.
Don't worry, man. I'll put you on the Alta Mopar since you a teammate. Hey, Todd, I'm not gonna let it be a bump.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna give his soul back. I'm gonna give his soul. Oh, he wanna race me again tomorrow? Well, man, I need to keep your soul up on the Alta Mopar then. I can't give it back to you. Hey, man, but this is the thing, though. Once I take your soul to come back and race me, you got to bring somebody else's soul.
I offer.
Whose soul
the
you
guy
bring?
with a beard, he's got a red demon.
Who other? You bring it?
I offer him.
Oh, his soul already on the Alta Mopar. I already got him. I already got Chris. His soul already on the Alta Mopar. I already got his soul. He a zombie. He a zombie. He a zombie.
Hey, I'll run you round one tomorrow, but give me the 60 foot. Give me the 60 foot.
Okay, I'll give you the 60
Give me the
foot.
60 foot.
I'll give you the 60 foot. He ran the 8.9. I ran the 9.0. But guess who won? Earl, how did your handiwork do?
I guess it worked.
Yeah, it worked. Yeah, it worked. That's all we need. Hey, man, good run, man. Good run. Anyway, man, we out here snatching souls of Demonology at the Motorplex. We out. Peace.
Simba, what have you done?
Nah, I didn't mean for it to happen.
Of course you didn't. And if it weren't for you, he'd still be alive.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.